Now finally the Valarra Vette is revealed, not a rendered, not a copy, not an excellent Photoshop, but the real thing. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I only don't work in this beautiful Monster Sport. I know it's a little dirty, and don't even look. Right here. Anyway, we're now working this beautiful Monster Sport, soon to be the Hellcat swapped engine, the first one in the world, but alive as well. Now today we're gonna talk about this Valarra Vette. Now finally the Valarra Vette is revealed, not a rendered, not a copy, not an excellent Photoshop, but the real thing. It's in Sema. So there you have it, guys. This is the real thing. Now, I personally, like I said in my other video of the render, I think the car looks phenomenal. However, the color that Matt chose, I would preferred the red and black look, but it doesn't look bad. I just, that color doesn't tickle me the right way. Hey, it's not my first choice of a color, but everybody has their own taste. I can respect that. I won't take nothing away from the car because that's just the color. You can change it, and people have different tastes. So I understand. However, what do you guys think? Does it look good? Does the actual car in real life differ from the render? Do you guys actually like it more now that it's finally said and done? We still don't know the price. Matt is keeping that super underground, and he don't want to even tell me nobody. I mean, good Lord, man. Damn, man. I'll be using a poll in a corner somewhere. Let's see the predictions versus the real thing when it comes out. I'll give you guys an update when it comes out. That is all for this video. Until next time, guys. God bless. Vote and leave your comments in the section down below. God bless.